السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا بكم طلاب الصف الخامس. Good morning my dear students. Today we will study Unit 4 Beautiful Nature Phonics. Unit 4 Phonics. We will start our lesson today with the new words: cat, cake, cap, class, grass, goat, gorilla, girl, crab, class. Cat, cake, cap, class, grass, goat, gorilla, girl, crab, and class. Phonics صوتيات عندنا C letter C can say cat, cat like cat, cake, cat. Again the letter C can say yes, cat, cake, cat. The letter G we can say g, like goat, gorilla, girl. Again g, like goat, gorilla, girl. C cat, G g, C cat like cat, cake, cat. We can see G g, like goat, gorilla, girl. Now open your books, pages 34 and 35. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Listen, read and say. Listen, read and say. Now listen, read and say.
C and G jingles.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
C says cat. C says cake. C says cap. G says goat. G says gorilla. G says girl.
Okay, C says cat, like cat. This is a picture of cat. Cake, this is a picture of cake. Cap, this is a picture of cap. G says g, like goat. This is a goat. Gorilla, this is gorilla. And a girl, this is a picture of a girl. Exercise number 2. Listen point and say write GR, CR, GL or CL. Okay. Listen, then write the letters.
Are you ready? Let's practice first. G says goat. Goat.
G says goat. Goat.
C says coat. Coat.
C says coat. Coat.
CR says crab. Crab.
CR says crab. Crab.
This is a picture of a crab, so the missing letters are CR, crab, CR.
Crab. GR says grass. Grass.
GR says grass.
This is a picture of grass, GR, grass, GRASS, grass. GR, the missing letters are GR.
GL says glass.
GL says glass.
GL says gla, like, yes, glass. GLASS, glass, GLASS. This is a picture of glass.
CL says class.
CL says class.
Here, CL says cla, like class. CLASS, class. CLASS.
Crab. Grass. Glass. Class.
Okay, picture number 1. Class, CL, crab, CR, glass, GL, grass, GR. Now listen to the teacher and hold up the letters. The teacher and the students, okay, play a game. The teacher say a word and the pupils, okay, or girls, try to make the word with the letters they hold, okay. Then they hold the letter of the word. Listen and repeat.
Are you ready? Let's start. Can you make this word? Bag.
B,
Ga.
bag.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Cat. T.
Cat.
Good job.
We got it.
Can you make this word? Bug.
B,
Ga.
bug. We got it.
Okay, good. Let's play for real.
Okay, go number 31. I can tell if the words start with K or G. Go number 32. Say two words that begin with K and two words that begin with G. Advice time. Nature is your home. Look after it. يعني الطبيعة هي بيتنا، يجب أن نعتني بها. Now open your workbook, Unit 4, pages 93 and 94. Exercise number 1, listen and brackets. Exercise number 2, listen and circle ka or ga, like cat, ka, goat, ga, cake, ka, gorilla, ga, cab, ka, girl, ga. Write the missing letters ka or ga, trace and copy. Okay, write the missing letters. Cat, C-A-T, girl, G-I-R-L, cab, C-A-P, coat, C-O-A-T or goat, G-O-A-T, gorilla, G-O-R-I-L-L-A, cake, C-A-K-E. Page 94, listen, point, and brackets trace. Try to trace the correct word. Cat, cat. Here, gorilla, goat, cake, cake, cap, cat, cap, girl, goat. Make the sounds ka and ga. Okay, this is the end of our lesson today. Goodbye and see you next time.